To reset your Semrush password, start by going to the Semrush website and clicking on the Login button. On the login page, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Next, you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your Semrush account. Enter your email address and click on the Send Instructions button. Semrush will then send a password reset email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click on the Reset Password button. This will take you to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong and unique password that meets the password requirements, which are typically a minimum of 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your new password in the New Password field and confirm it by entering it again in the Confirm New Password field. Make sure the 2 passwords match exactly. Once you have entered your new password, click on the Reset Password button to save the changes. You will then be taken back to the login page where you can log in with your new password. Make sure to keep your new password safe and secure, and consider enabling 2-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Best practices for password management include using a password manager to generate and store unique and complex passwords, avoiding common phrases and words, and changing your password regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely reset your Semrush password and maintain the security of your account.